Hi, my name is Nishat and I'm the campus manager, a role similar to the principal of a private school, NZMA, in New Zealand. And I would like to thank the Chandigarh group of colleges, Landran, for extending an invitation to me for having a practical training session with the students today. I thoroughly enjoyed my session on wine pouring and sparkling wine service with the students, who were one of the most interactive group of students that I have come across in India so far. I was extremely impressed with the facilities that the students have, and the Chandigarh group of colleges, Landran, is certainly an organization that invests heavily in providing a great environment for the students, who were absolutely professional in their approach, outlook, and personal presentation. The students were pretty engaging in their practical workshop and were pretty responsive, which is a good indication of passion as well as excellent training imparted by the tutors and the faculty here in this institution. The students certainly demonstrated today that they were able to apply their learnings to adapting to different environments, and it was extremely promising to see that the students are actually excited about their own careers. For the students, a bit of advice is, please make sure that you enjoy your student years. However, it is extremely important to stay focused on your future goals, and it is always important to take advice of people who have been in footsteps where you would like to tread the institution, and I would strongly encourage you to achieve your dream and fulfill your aspirations. Good luck.